The U.S. has never been easy. But over the years, more and more U.S. states have tried to make things easier by allowing voting by mail. And the share of voters casting their ballots by post has risen steadily in recent elections. So, how will voting by mail impact this election? Due to the global pandemic, records could be set, but how easy it is to do so very much depends on where you live. 10 states automatically send ballots to their residents. 35 other states have rules where voters need to ask for a postal ballot. But these 5 states only allow voting by mail if you have a valid excuse for not being able to get to the polls in person. And no, COVID-19 does not count. Voting by mail has largely been uncontroversial until this year.
This is going to be the scam of all time.
There is no concern for mail-in ballots.
Democrats have largely requested more absentee ballots than Republicans. In Florida alone, 800,000 more requests were filed by Democrats so far. So what might this all mean for the election result itself? First and foremost, voting by mail is more complicated, and many will do it for the first time.
You have to absolutely be meticulous, when you fill out the ballot and the information.
In 2016, 18,000 mail ballots were rejected, a number that could exceed 1 million this year. And with so many more Democrats voting by mail, Republican lawyers are set to challenge the validity of mail ballots in every swing state.
Hopefully the federal judges, all respected, all highly respected, hopefully they'll be able to see this clearly and stop it.
Currently, there are 320 lawsuits in 44 states over the 2020 election. With so many votes coming in via mail, election night will look somewhat different this year.
Election night is nowhere near the official results.
The rules vary. Some states start processing and counting votes before Election Day. But in the crucial battleground states of Wisconsin and Pennsylvania, they wait until Election Day.
The challenging part's going to be dealing with, counting them as quickly as we can.
Getting a final result from these states could therefore take a while.
I could be leading, and then they'll just keep getting ballots and ballots and ballots and ballots, because now they're saying that the ballots can come in late. Well, what does that mean?
It means it will take longer than usual to count all the votes, and election night could turn into election week.